I'm old enough to remember the 1970s, 1980s, and there was a fantastic game show called Bullseye that was kind of so bad that it was good, and it was hosted by the best game show host that's in the history of game show hosts, a guy called Jim Bowen. If you're too young, just Google Jim, he's fantastic. And he had so many great catchphrases, but he saved the best one till last, right? So it's a darts game show, right? And if you failed at the end, what Jim would come on with like a cuddly toy that he'd won. And he'd look with his sincere face, and he'd look at the contestants who just lost the main big prize, and he'd say, "Never mind, lads, never mind, girls." He says, "Shall we look at what you could have won?" And then the stage would rotate, and there was like a Ford Fiesta or a speedboat or a jet ski or a caravan, some magnificent prize that these people haven't won. And then they would all wave, and Jim's all enthusiastic, the ashen-faced contestants. And I think it's a bit like that with life, is that ultimately there are too many people having what I call an NLE, a near-life experience. And what I don't want you to do is like get to the end of it going, "Oh, do you know what? Look at that life you could have had." So I think it's all about, there's a lot of talk about living your best life and being your best self. And I'd love to introduce you to the science of that.